Most people who try to learn electronics quit within the first week. Why? Because traditional textbooks instantly bury you in complex calculus, dry academic formulas, and abstract physics theories. But you don't need a 4-year engineering degree just to build smart gadgets, program automated systems, or prototype custom products. There is a faster, modern, and highly practical way to master electronics from scratch. In this guide, we are laying down the exact step-by-step roadmap to go from absolute zero to confidently designing your own custom circuit boards. Part 1. Step 1. Conquer the invisible, the water analogy. Step 1 is mastering the 3 pillars of electricity, and the easiest way to do it is to visualize it as water. Don't worry about complex math yet. Just look at the flow. Think of voltage as water pressure pushing through a pipe. Think of current as the actual volume of water flowing per second. And think of resistance as a narrow squeeze in that pipe, restricting how much water can get through. This relationship is Ohm's law, the foundational equation of all electronics. By visualizing electricity this way, calculating resistor values for components like LEDs stops being confusing math and becomes common sense. Part 2. Step 2. The Workbench, essential hardware. Step 2 is setting up your sandbox. You do not need an expensive laboratory. You can start with 3 basic tools that cost less than a few pizzas. First, a solderless breadboard. This allows you to plug components together, change your mind, and test circuit variations infinitely without burning your fingers or using a soldering iron. Second, a digital multimeter. This is your eyes in the invisible world of electricity. It lets you check if a battery is dead, verify a resistor's value, or see where a voltage connection is dropping. Finally, grab a basic starter kit filled with resistors, capacitors, and LEDs. Part 3. Step 3. Add the brain, the microcontroller era. Step 3 is where electronics get exciting. Once you can light up an LED with a switch, it's time to bring your hardware to life using a microcontroller. Think of microcontrollers like the Arduino Uno or the dual-core ESP32 as the brain of your circuit. Instead of building massive, complex analog circuits out of thousands of individual parts, you can write simple code to control things. This is where you transition from simple hobby builds to functional prototyping. By learning basic code, you can suddenly read biometric fingerprint data, control heavy-duty servo motors, or connect your projects to the internet over Wi-Fi. Part 4. Step 4. Design your own silicon, EDA, and 3D printing. The final step on your roadmap is moving from messy breadboard wires to professional, permanent hardware. This is called Electronic Design Automation, or EDA. Using free computer design software, you trace out your connections and send the files to a modern manufacturing lab. Within days, you get back a pristine, professional PCB. Pair that custom circuit board with a custom 3D printed enclosure, and you have built a retail-ready physical product from scratch. Learning electronics isn't about memorizing thick textbooks. It's about building, failing safely on a breadboard, and iterating. Drop a comment below with the very first project you want to build. Hit subscribe to join the maker journey, and let's get building!